Polymerase chain reaction is also called PCR, polymerase chain reaction. The in vitro amplification of DNA by repeated cycles called polymerase chain reaction or called PCR cycle. In each polymerization, the number of DNA fragments are get doubled. It makes millions, billions of copies of DNA from a single strand DNA within a short time, called DNA amplification technique or PCR, polymerase chain reaction. It first identified by or invented by Corey Mills. He used Klenow enzyme that is sensitive to heat in polymerase chain reaction. Later, lawyer scientists used heat resistant enzyme called Taq polymerase enzyme. The Taq polymerase enzyme as a substitute of Klenow enzyme. The Taq polymerase enzyme. The Taq polymerase enzyme synthesized from Thermus aquaticus bacteria. Polymerase chain reaction is carried out in a single test tube. The single test tube kept in a thermal cylinder, which is programmable to set alternate heat and cooling techniques. The DNA to be amplified, reagents and desired DNA called parental DNA and DNA polynucleotides like phosphoric acid, deoxyribosugar, nitrogenous bases like adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and Taq polymerase and forward reverse primers are kept in the test tube. Including these reagents, HCl buffer, magnesium chloride, potassium chloride solutions are taken in the test tube. HCl and buffer, magnesium chloride, potassium chloride reagents are helps in PCR as a cofactor of enzyme reactions. The thermal cylinder is programmed by the 3 steps. They are: first step is DNA denaturation. Second step is primer annealing. Third step is DNA extinction. The first step is DNA denaturation. DNA denaturation. The test tube reaction mixture is heated up to 94 degrees Celsius to 98 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 seconds. This temperature helps in the denaturation of double stranded DNA into individual DNA strands. These individual DNA strands are act as a templates. The denaturation means breaking of hydrogen bonds between the two polynucleotide chains, called denaturation of hydrogen bonds. And the second step is primer annealing. The primer annealing is also called forward reverse primers attached on the templates. In annealing step, forward reverse primers are attached on the 3' of polynucleotide chains. At the 50 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius for 20 to 40 seconds. The primers are attached on the DNA templates at the 3' end, called annealing. The next step is DNA extension. DNA extension. The DNA extension is the third step of PCR cycle, called elongation step, DNA elongation step. The reaction mixture heated to 75 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. As this temperature is suitable for the Taq polymerase, Taq DNA polymerase MJ. The Taq DNA polymerase, it adds complementary DNA nucleotides one by one on the 3-hydroxyl group of primer. As a result, the second DNA strand grows to full size of DNA, called DNA elongation. At end of first cycle, 2 identical DNAs are formed. The 2 identical DNAs are formed within 2.5 to 5 minutes of time. Each of the DNA double strand nucleotide form enter into second cycle. The same second cycle also shows repeated steps. The repeated several times of steps, the basic reactions of PCR, the same in all cycles. In each cycle, number of DNAs get doubled. That is, 2 DNAs develop into 4 DNAs, 4 DNAs develop into 8 DNAs, 8 DNAs develop into 16, 16 develop into 64, 32 develop into 64, 64 develop into 128, 128 develop into so on. By the 30th cycle of DNA polymerase PCR cycle, the DNA form about millions of copies of DNAs are formed. Millions copies of DNAs are formed. It is the PCR amplification and application of PCR. The PCR used propagate DNA for gene manipulation and for the construction of DNA libraries. It is used to amplify DNA fragments isolated from organisms. That amplified DNAs are used in clinical diagnosis of the genetic diseases and pathogenic diseases. It is used to propagate DNA to detect the sex of the baby even at 8 to 16 cell stage. This technique is used in vitro fertilization of eggs. PCR also used in vitro fertilization of eggs. The PCR is employed for the amplification of DNA to detect the criminal cases in the forensic science. The PCR is used chromosome walking to detect the correct order of nitrogenous bases. The PCR used in synthesis of human needed desired gene, and from the gene to second metabolism. Metabolites are like enzymes, hormones are synthesized by the amplification of PCR DNAs. And these are the 3 steps again, the total cycle. First step is shows denaturation, primer annealing, and DNA extinction. It is the first step, first cycle, first thermal cycle. And the second thermal cycle also shows DNA denaturation, primer annealing, DNA extinction. This cycle so on and so on, so on. Total completion of cycle, billions of same DNAs are synthesized. See here it is. How are the function of replication achieved during the PCR? See here it is the function melting DNA in PCR by heat. In normal DNA replication, helicase MGM single strand binding proteins, topoisomerases are involved. The function of polymerizing DNA, it is Taq polymerase. Thermus aquateous polymerase DNA used, polymerase MGM used in the PCR cycle, and the DNA polymerase, normal DNA polymerase used in the normal amplification of MGM's DNA, provide primers. Primers are added to the reaction mixture. Here it is in normal replication, the primers are synthesized by the primase MGM. Joining of nicks. Joining of nicks non-applicable as the fragments are short. Here it is the ligase enzymes are mainly helps in the ligation of fragments. It is not applicable as the fragments are short because we synthesized only small length of fragments of DNAs in the PCR cycle. So it is the PCR cycle and these applications, and that these are the differences between PCR and to normal replication of DNA.